I was a intern with John Deere and my junior year at Iowa State, and I took an internship at the Ottumwa factory and worked there. And then when I graduated, I interviewed again, and with John Deere, and I was accepted in a manufacturing position at the Des Moines Ankeny factory. I've got a degree in accounting and business, and they didn't have any openings then, but they liked kind of how the summer went. And so I got a job working on the assembly line, building cotton picker, making sure the cotton picker assembly line always had all the parts and everything. So they kind of got me on what they call a 5-year fast track. And I got into marketing, I got into accounting, and I got into budgeting, and I got into scheduling and all that kind of stuff. And then one of the jobs that I had was scheduling repair parts for the Des Moines factory. And we were constantly having trouble with back orders. And my boss said, Don, you got to go out and figure out how we can better forecast repair parts. And he said, I'm just going to tell you to go travel and go visit dealers and find out how to do this. And I did. I was gone for 18 months off and on, and I visited over 120 different dealerships in the United States and Canada. And I really learned a lot, of course, but I also learned that the best way to forecast repair parts is to look at what the parts are being used for and what that equipment does, and then look at the estimated acres for that kind of crop and those kind of products. And we were able to, back in those times, we were able to put together some strategies to increase or reduce the volume of what we call critical repair parts based on acres that we felt were going to be planted by the USDA estimates and that kind of stuff. So, but I did come back and I went to my boss once and I said, after traveling, I'm not so sure I wouldn't be a better John Deere dealer guy than I would a John Deere factory guy. He says, you're kind of entrepreneurial and you're kind of sales oriented. And he said, I said, so how do I do that? Well, he introduced me to Dick Yonke, who you may have met at one time because he became a senior vice president at John Deere, but he was the territory manager, and he got me acquainted with a couple of different dealer opportunities to be a junior partner. And Barney Wall invited me to be a junior partner with him, and I became a 20% junior partner with him at Woodward, Iowa in 1977. When he retired 3 years later, he had me sign a note and loan me the money to buy out the rest over the next 10 years. And that's how it all started.